Let's make this first things first. I'm going to shorten all the clips so that the audience stays engaged and the video doesn't get stale. I am going to keep each clip around 3 to 6 seconds, depending on the action taking place on the screen, such as walking or movement from the subject in the shot. Shorter clips will be ones that don't have anyone in the shot. I'm also rearranging some clips in order for the shots to flow nicer. Next, I am going to add an adjustment layer. This will allow me to color grade all the clips at once. Click the adjustment icon at the top of the screen. Select Custom Adjustment and drag it into the project timeline. Adjust the length of the overlay to cover the entire set of clips at once. Now we'll start to adjust the colors in the adjustment layer. I'm going to adjust the temperature first and incorporate more blue into the shots. I'll slightly adjust the hue to lean more green. If you wanted to mimic what I was doing here, you could keep track of the number metrics to do so on your own project. Next, I will adjust the saturation to make the colors pop. But adjusting too much will overdo it. Now I am adjusting brightness and contrast. I will adjust the blacks too, in order to enhance the dark parts of the clips. On sharpen, I will set it to 30. And then I will add a vignette. I'm going to review some of the clips to see how that's looking so far. Before, after, you can see how much better it's looking with what we've already done. Now I'll select the HSL tab to enhance specific colors. I'm going to enhance the hue, saturation and brightness to make certain colors pop, such as the orange in the shots. This will help her skin to pop more. You can see the slight changes on her face as I slide the adjustment tab back and forth. Now I will target the greens to make the foliage look more vibrant. Color grading is a compounding effect, making small, slight adjustments layers into a more professional looking video. Before, after. You can see how much of a difference our work is already having on the quality of the footage. Now I will enhance some of the blues. You can really see the difference when I switch to the before and after on this shot. Now we will add some smooth transitions. As it changes from shot to shot, I'll click on the Transitions tab on the top left of the screen. I'm going to try and find one that will match the direction of the movement on my shot. I'll search for one that's moving down. I'm using the Pro drop-down transition for this scene. This one is Pro slide left. I'm using the Pro Rotate Image Right transition. I'll use the same transition for this scene as well. This one is the Pro Film Erase. Now I will add a simple fade to the beginning and end clips. Click on Animation, then click the Out tab, then click on the Fade Out option. Now I can adjust the length of time the fade takes on the clip. Let's see how that looks. Perfection. Now I will follow the same process to add a fade-in effect to the first clip. Instead of selecting the Out tab, I will select the In tab and then adjust the length of time it takes on the clip. Now I am going to add some cool effects to the clips in the timeline, so we are going to select the Effects tab. You can see a preview of what each effect does by clicking on it. It then gives a preview of what it will do to your clip. For this clip I am going to select Lens 1. Then I'll drag this effect into the timeline over the beginning segment of my project. And I will make sure to lengthen the effect clip so that it is over the entirety of the clip. It will even be partially over the first half of the transition into the next clip. And I will continue this process for every clip in the timeline. On this clip I am adding the lens to effect and will drag it into the timeline. Then make sure it is overlaying above the entire clip like before. On this clip I am going to add double effects and layer them on top of each other. The first effect is the black noise effect, and the second effect is the negative split effect. You can add as many layers of effects as you want, but after a while it can get to where you cannot really see the effects anymore. I skipped ahead and added the halo to effect to the next clip. Then I added the lead to effect on this clip, which both will blend nicely with the transition. And then at last, on the final clip I added the halo to effect. And it is as simple as that to make great engaging videos. CapCut is a powerful tool that enables a very easy pathway to create engaging videos. All it takes is a little imagination.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, Comet creators. End transmission.